welcome to Utkarsh Mind's Python programming for data science. Today we will see our second lesson of Python. So same as previous, I will open the Colab notebook by typing colab.research.google.com. Here it will show me new notebook, and in this new notebook I can write my Python programs. So I will give the name lesson 2 and I will click connect. Previously we have seen some operations like comments, variables, addition, subtraction, and today we will write some other new programs. So first we will see how to use strings. So today we will see what is strings. String means a collection of alphabets. So we can say that, and string is enclosed in double quotes. So hi, how are you? So this is a string, an example of string, because it is a collection of alphabets. Another example is that collection of alphabets inside single quotes. That is also a string. String can also have can be having also double quotes. For example, hi. If I want to print like this, then you can see that it is printing even the string inside double quotes. One more option is to use escape characters. For example, doesn't. So doesn't has a single quote like this. What if you want to display something of this form, doesn't, then you have to escape it by using a backslash. If you type like this, it will show you doesn't and inside the single quotes. So this is a string. What else you can do is you can join two strings together. So hi and add it with how are you. If we join these two strings, then you get hi, how are you. There is no space, so we can join it like this, a space and then how are you. So we are joining three strings, hi, then space, then how are you. So it is hi, how are you, joined together. One more thing you can do is multiply. So if you are using un multiplied by 5, you will see that you are getting 5 times repetition of the word un. This is the use of strings. Other things that you can do is index a string. So for example, I am storing this string. This is my name. So I am storing it in a variable name, and I can print that variable like this. So you see that I have printed and it is printed Pranav. Now I want to concat two variables. So I am writing surname as Nerurkar and I am concatenating. That means first name with surname. The result is that it is joining the two inside a single thing. Another thing that we can do is say I want the first alphabet. So I can write in this square brackets the index position 0, and you see in the name the first alphabet is P. If I want the second alphabet, then I can write 1 and it gives me the second alphabet. Remember that indexing starts from 0 in Python. So the first alphabet is 0 indexed. Similarly, the last alphabet is -1 indexed. So you can see, you can get the last alphabet by -1. Other way of getting the last alphabet is by its index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the fifth index. I will write here the string PRANAV. The fifth index is also V. So you can count either from backwards like -1 or forward, which will give you fifth index. If you want a range, so you can specify from 0 up to 5. So fifth is not included here. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 indices that will be printed. The fifth will not be printed. See how we are writing the notation 0:5. That means from 0 up to 4, or from 0 up to but not including 5. This is called indexing. In this way, we have seen the very much uses of string data type. We can add, we can join, we can index the strings, and we can perform many such operations on string. One more thing we can always remember, that if you write something like this, so although it has just from 0 to 4 and you have written 42 here, which is out of index, it will not give an error. It will print maximum possible. And if you write name 42, then you will get an error, that out of range. So in this way you have seen how we can perform the indexing operations also. Last thing is to count the length. So with the len command you get length of 6. If you want to check, see, if the string is Pranav, it has 6 alphabets, and that is why it has given the length as 6. That's it in strings. We will see it further and in the next video. Keep watching.